How to make katsu curry. From making the curry mixture to preparing the Japanese chicken schnitzel, everything will be thoroughly covered in this recipe video. You'll need Japanese curry mix, jasmine rice, plain flour, eggs, carrots, potatoes, onion, panko breadcrumbs, vegetable oil, and a whole chicken. Start by peeling and chopping 2 carrots. Then peel and chop 4 potatoes. Place a large pot over medium heat. Vegetable oil. Add the onions. Saute onion pieces until they start to turn translucent. Add the carrot. Add potato. Stir thoroughly. Add water and bring to boil for 5 minutes. While that's boiling, it's time to cook the rice. For each cup of jasmine rice, add 1.5 cups of water. Leave that to cook. Stir. Add the Japanese curry mix. Thoroughly mix together. While that's simmering, it's time to prepare the chicken. Using a knife, carefully remove vegetable oil to your deep fryer. Slowly place the coated chicken thigh fillet into the deep fryer. Deep fry for 10 minutes until golden brown. Carefully remove from deep fryer. In a bowl, add your cooked rice, Japanese chicken cutlet, and your Japanese curry mixture. Serve and enjoy.